Good day mga ka-CRT! Welcome to Practice Exam Series for ECT Board Exam. This is Part 1, numbers 31 to 40. Be ready with your pen, paper, and calculator. Read the following questions carefully and write the letter of your choice in your paper. Let's begin. 31. Find the total surface area of the box with a dimension 2 feet by 3 feet by 4 feet. Letter A, 24 square feet. Letter B, 48 square feet. Letter C, 52 square feet. Letter D, 64 square feet. (32) The power of a transmitter is increased from 5 watts to 50 watts by a linear amplifier. The power gain expressed in dB is letter A, 30 dB, letter B, 10 dB, letter C, 40 dB, letter D, 20 dB. 33. Why should you regularly clean, tighten, and resolder all antenna connectors? Letter A, to help keep their resistance at a minimum. Letter B, to keep them looking nice. Letter C, to keep them from getting stuck in place. Letter D, to increase their capacitance. (34) Identify the symbol shown. Letter A, N-channel JFET. Letter B, P-channel DMOSFET. Letter C, N-channel eMOSFET. Letter D, P-channel eMESFET. (35) Which of the following is the typical input impedance of common emitter amplifier? Letter A, 100 ohms. Letter B, 1 kilo ohms. Letter C, 10 kilo ohms. Letter D, 100 kilo ohms. (37) What is the title of Philippine Electronic Code Book 2? Letter A, Telecommunications Facilities Distribution System. Letter B, Fire Detection and Alarm System. Letter C, Cable Television System. And letter D, Distributed Antenna System. (38) What oscillator has a top capacitive circuit? Letter A, Colpitts oscillator. Letter B, Hartley oscillator. Letter C, Wien-Bridge oscillator. Letter D, phase shift oscillator. (39) Identify the type of oscillator shown. Letter A, Wien-Bridge. Letter B, phase shift. Letter C, twin T. Letter D, clop. 40. What RA pertains to the bar or board eligibility provides that those who pass the bar exam or the board exam are automatically considered as civil service eligibles. Letter A, RA 1080. Letter B, RA 1081. Letter C, RA 1090. Letter D, RA 1091.